Apollodorus was born in Damascus, Syria in the first century AD. His father, who was an architect, played a significant role in sparking Apollodorus' interest in architecture from an early age. Apollodorus later pursued his architectural studies in Rome, where he became highly skilled in the use of reinforced concrete. Throughout his career, Apollodorus served as the chief architect on the Flavian dynasty. He was responsible for designing and overseeing the construction of several iconic monuments in Imperial Rome. Some of his most notable works include the Colosseum, the Temple of Venus in Rome, and the Forum of Trajan. Unfortunately, the exact details of Apollodorus' death are unknown, while some historians speculate that he may have been sentenced to death in 133 years by order of the Roman Emperor Hadrian. Others suggest that he might have been exiled and died of natural causes.
Apollodorus of Damascus was a prominent architect and engineer in ancient Rome who made important contributions to civil engineering and architecture during the 2nd century AD. His work and designs influenced the construction of numerous iconic buildings and structures throughout the Roman Empire. Some of his most notable contributions include Trajan's Forum. Apollodorus played a key role in the planning and construction of Trajan's Forum, one of the most impressive architectural complexes of ancient Rome. The project included Trajan's Column, a monument commemorating the military victories of Emperor Trajan and considered an outstanding achievement of Roman engineering. Trojan Bridge over the Danube. Apollodorus designed a stone bridge over the Danube River known as Trojan Bridge. This bridge was a feat of engineering and its design served as inspiration for the construction of other Roman bridges in Europe. Trajan's Market. Apollodorus also participated in the planning and construction of the Trajan's Markets, which include a series of commercial and administrative buildings. This complex was an early example of urban planning and architectural designs. Architectural innovation. Apollodorus introduced innovation in the use of arches and vaults in Roman architecture, which allowed decoration of larger and more durable buildings. In summary, Apollodorus of Damascus left a significant legacy in Roman civil engineering and architecture through his innovative designs and contribution to some of the most iconic projects of ancient Rome. His work continues to be studied and admired as outstanding example of the technical and artistic skill of Roman engineering.
Contributions to improve the way of life. Some of his most notable contributions include urban planning. Apollodorus was involved in the planning and designing for several Roman cities, including the planning of a new city called Trajan, which served as a settlement for Roman veterans. His urban designs were characterized by well-organized street system and a functional argument public and private building. Architectural innovation. Apollodorus introduced architectural innovation in the construction of buildings such as the use of vaults and domes. These techniques allowed the contribution of larger, more durable buildings. Theoretical constructions. In addition to his practice achievements, Apollodorus also wrote theses on architecture and mathematics. His rite influenced architectural thought and architectural theory in ancient Rome and below. Taken together, the contribution of Apollodorus of Damascus helping improve the pattern of life, ancient Roman and the region of Roman Empire by promoting more functional, aesthetic, and efficient built environment society. Civil engineer works. Here are some notable works attributed to Apollodorus of Damascus. Trajan Forum and the Column. Apollodorus playing a significant role in designing Trajan Forum in the Rome, which include the famous Trajan Column. The Forum was a grand architectural complex that served as the administration and culture center of ancient Rome. Trajan Bridge. Apollodorus is credited with designing Trajan Bridge, a remarkable feat and engineer that spanned the River region in what is now Romania. Baths of Trajan. Apollodorus contributed to the designing of the Baths of Trajan, one of the largest and most luxurious public baths in ancient Rome.